Kia ora. Welcome to Saturday, the 6th of August, I think it is. Yeah, I just woke up. It's about 11:30 in the morning. This is very unusual. So this is going to be a very, very short ramble, because technically, how can you do a morning ramble when it's basically almost the afternoon kind of thing? So yeah, I guess I was tired. So that's going to be the theme for today. Not sure why. There's a lot of stress going on at the moment with everything, so sometimes that has a habit of catching up. Got thunderstorms coming in over, so I'm not going to stand out here in the open too much longer, just in case it decides it's going to dump water on me. But yeah, just in the interests of continuity, if nothing else, thought I should at least get this video done and dusted. Over by the PigZone, and yeah, that Tromboncino or butternut squash is flowering and growing like crazy. It's everywhere. So we almost have like I think Dawn mentioned that there's quite a few fruit kicking around in the ground. So I'm not sure if you can see this. It's taking over. It's all the way out over there, hidden inside the long grass. This used to look like a moonscape when the pigs were here. They just left nothing alive. And of course it's very well fertilized now. So once the water came down and a bit of heat, boom, turned into a veritable jungle, which is okay. I've got no problems with that. Still need to dig up all the fences and things, and all that good stuff. But that's quite a bit of work, jimmying up these fences are well and truly kind of buried in the mud and stuff that the pigs threw up. But man, look at this. This is just growing vertically and it's just taken off. Wow. That's crazy. I mean, crazy good, but still. So yeah, so there's it doesn't have a lot of competition, I think. So look over there. Yeah, it carries on over that way as well. Wow. So yeah, I guess when we get back, I'm gonna have to go, or maybe even tomorrow I might, depending on the weather, go and have a poke around to see what we've actually got growing in there that's actually needs to be taken away and processed. I can see lots of blooms, so there's probably a lot in there, and if there's not a lot now, then there's going to be a lot, because Tromboncinos are prolific. This one doesn't look like it's had a lot of predation from bugs and things, and that also may be because the ducks like to roam through here, and chickens as well, so they kind of have free range. Tromboncino is pretty resilient. So anyway, short, to the point, tired, slept a lot, feel better. Back is improved from yesterday, which is improved from the day before, so that bodes well. Big long drive on Monday morning early, so kind of really not taking it hard at the moment, just getting ready for next week and the fun that next week's going to bring, more than anything else. So yeah, that's that. I'm actually on the other side of the PigZone, and I can see that they are it's everywhere. So if that's one plant, which is possible, that's what they do, is they basically vine and revine and grow. Last growing season we had borer got into the zucchinis and then decided to attack the Tromboncinos and the butternut squash. The Tromboncinos, I may have mentioned it, I'm not sure. Tromboncinos actually fled the bugs. So put up runners well away from where the original plant grew, and then just basically spread away from the bugs. So the Tromboncinos ended up like completely outside the fence constraints, totally detached from the original plant, which had fruit on it that was getting devoured by insects, and then quite happily thrived after that, which is why we ended up with, I don't know, some ridiculous amount, I forget off the top of my head, I've got it recorded. We harvested about 160 pound or something of Tromboncinos, and the pigs definitely ate easily that, if not more. Probably twice that, I would suspect, because I just couldn't process it as fast as it grew. So yeah, anyway, all right, take care, have a good day. Ciao, kia ora.